Hello, dear audience. In the next 20 minutes, we will discuss an urgent and far-reaching topic, the application of artificial intelligence in higher education and the changes it brings. First, I will define the background information of the study and explore why this research is critical to current and future educational models. Then, I will delve into the research topic and refine the research scope and boundaries. My research methods section will detail how I will design the study, how I will collect and analyze data, and how these methods will help me answer the research questions. When discussing expected outputs and contributions, I will share how I hope to impact the field and bring actionable advice and insights. In the face of challenges and risks, we will openly discuss possible obstacles and our strategies to deal with them. Finally, we will use the conclusion section to synthesize our findings and provide insights into the future of higher education. In this section, I will touch on the rapid development of artificial intelligence technology in recent years and its growing integration in multiple fields, especially higher education. The advancement of AI technology is not just about the enhancement of computing power, but also includes machine learning algorithms innovations. These make it possible to apply AI in personalized teaching, learning analysis, and assessment processes. The integration of AI in higher education marks the dawn of a new era of education. It offers the potential to transform teaching, learning, and assessment processes, thereby promising to improve the quality of education and make learning outcomes more personalized and efficient. This transformation is not just about the application of technology, but also about how to use these technologies to support educators and learners, optimize the distribution of educational resources, and ultimately achieve educational equity. While the potential of AI is huge, its integration also presents a range of challenges and issues, including but not limited to data privacy, ethics, and how to ensure that the technology augments rather than replaces the role of human mentors. Next, I explore these challenges in detail. While the integration of artificial intelligence into higher education brings many benefits, it is not without challenges. Since the use of artificial intelligence involves processing large amounts of data, data privacy and security issues are critical. Personal and academic data. Additionally, educational institution staff are often resistant to change and lack technical expertise. Technical limitations such as accuracy, reliability, and scalability of AI systems also pose significant challenges, as do demands. Developing an ethical framework to govern artificial intelligence in assessment and applications in sensitive areas such as scoring. My research is guided by a clear set of goals. First, to understand the current status of the integration of artificial intelligence in higher education institutions. This involves understanding how and to what extent artificial intelligence is currently used. Second, I aim to identify where artificial intelligence is currently being used. Applications in higher education institutions. Key factors. The benefits and challenges of using AI in this context provide a balanced view of the technology's potential. Finally, I endeavor to explore the broader impact of AI on the teaching and learning process in higher education. I will explore the research objectives in more depth and develop the key questions that guided my investigation. My main goal is to investigate the ethical and privacy implications of using artificial intelligence in higher education. This is critical as AI is integrated into education systems and intersects with the fundamental rights and freedoms of individuals. Research questions aimed at addressing include: how are higher education institutions currently leveraging artificial intelligence? What are the benefits and challenges of integrating artificial intelligence into higher education? Importantly, how does AI impact teaching and learning outcomes, and what ethical considerations must be taken into account? I am prepared to employ both qualitative and quantitative research methods to ensure a rich and nuanced understanding of artificial intelligence in higher education. Through qualitative research, I will conduct in-depth interviews and focus groups with stakeholders to capture their direct thoughts on artificial intelligence experiences and perceptions of the impact of AI. The quantitative research will involve surveying a larger sample of higher education institutions to collect substantive data on the utilization and effectiveness of AI technologies. By combining these methods, I aim to build upon the current a multifaceted picture of smart technology.
In terms of data collection, my strategy consists of three main methods. First, collecting primary data through interviews, surveys, and direct observation of AI implementation in educational settings will form the cornerstone of the research. Second, existing data from institutions will be utilized. There are data reports, research reports, and government databases to supplement and enrich the primary data. Finally, online data collection through digital platforms and social media will enable reaching a wider audience and collecting data more effectively. Descriptive statistics will allow me to summarize and present the data in a meaningful way. laying the foundation for a more in-depth analysis. Inferential statistics will allow us to draw conclusions and make a summary of the data. The impact of artificial intelligence on higher education. Content analysis will be used to identify themes and patterns in qualitative data, such as interview transcripts and focus group discussions. Finally, comparative analysis will help us compare and contrast data from different institutions, identify best practices and areas for improvement.
In my analysis, I examine the potential impact of AI on higher education, which is multifaceted and substantial. Personalized learning is a key area where AI can make a significant contribution, enabling the realization of individual needs, interests, and learning styles. This personalization is not only to accommodate different learning paces, but also to cater to each student's unique educational journey. Furthermore, AI has the potential to significantly improve access and inclusion in higher education. Through AI-driven tools and platforms, higher education can be more easily accessible to traditionally underserved populations, including those with disabilities or those living in remote areas, thereby democratizing education. Finally, AI can enhance teaching and learning by assisting educators in identifying student needs, designing effective interventions, and assessing learning outcomes. This increases student engagement and success, as AI can provide insights previously unavailable through traditional methods. In my research, I also explore the implications for policy and practice. I address data privacy and security issues that arise as the use of artificial intelligence increases in higher education. Policies and practices need to be developed to ensure data ethical use and protecting student privacy. Equity and accessibility are also important considerations, as AI tools become more ubiquitous. It is critical to understand how they can be used to promote equity and inclusion in higher education. Additionally, the integration of AI requires professional development for educators to ensure they have the skills and knowledge needed to use these technologies effectively. In my upcoming research, I will examine the ethical considerations that are critical to the integration of artificial intelligence into higher education. I will examine how AI systems collecting and analyzing large amounts of student data can raise serious privacy and security concerns, particularly when it comes to safeguarding. Additionally, I will delve into issues of bias and fairness in AI algorithms that may perpetuate existing biases and lead to unfair outcomes for certain groups of students. Technical challenges in implementing AI in higher education, such as data quality and availability, interoperability with existing technologies, and the need for ongoing maintenance and updates, will be the focus of my investigation. I will explore how these challenges create barriers to the adoption of artificial intelligence and how agencies with limited resources can navigate these complexities. I will also assess risks to the validity and reliability of decisions made by AI systems in higher education. This includes the potential loss of human judgment and expertise, unintended consequences of AI applications, and the response to change by various stakeholders. Resistance. These factors can have profound effects on students' educational outcomes and experiences. I would like to end this preview by saying thank you for taking the time to engage with my research outline. The journey ahead is sure to be enlightening, and I look forward to sharing the findings with you as my work progresses. Thank you, attention and support.